Okonomiyaki pizza with Bonito Flakes. Can't believe this actually works. Give it a try. This is Bonito Flakes that I recently got from my travel to Japan. The recipe for today is Okonomiyaki pizza. The dough has been fermented for 24 hours, pretty much overnight. Tons of air bubbles. I'm going to remove it from the bowl, shape it up into a ball, and let it rest before I shape it up as a pizza. And then gently flour it again. And let it rest for at least an hour or two before you shape it into a pizza. These are the ingredients I'm using for this pizza. So there's barbecue sauce, spring onions, mozzarella cheese and cheddar, tomato sauce, bonito flakes, and prawns that are marinated with black pepper and chili flakes. It's time to make my okonomiyaki pizza. The pizza dough is rested and ready. The oven is turned on and my ingredients are all set. I'm not going to show you how to roll the pizza. If you want to learn how to make this pizza dough that's 24 hours fermented and how to roll it, just click on the link above. So just put a little bit of the tomato paste, not too much, just a thin layer so it doesn't become too wet. Then you put the mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Let's put the prawns, let's spread it across just to make sure every bite of pizza has nice juicy prawns. That's it, the pizza is ready to bake. Time to bake the pizza. Just about 5 to 6 minutes is good enough. The pizza is done. Time for the review. Oh, the heat. Okay, let's take it out. Wow. Can you hear the sizzle? So just let the pizza cool down for a while before you put the Bonito Flakes barbecue sauce and spring onions. So start with a little bit of spring onions. And then you put the Bonito Flakes. You don't have to put a lot because the Bonito Flakes is salty. And then a good drizzle of barbecue sauce. There you go, Okonomiyaki pizza. The flavors all works very well together with the sweet and tangy barbecue sauce, the salty Bonito Flakes, with a little bit of freshness of the spring onions and the juicy plum prawns. All comes together very nicely.